In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your pocket option dashboard effectively, focusing on changing your chart type to candles and understanding their patterns to make more informed trading decisions. Once you're on the pocket option dashboard, you'll find everything you need to start trading right on your screen. Amongst the various tools and options, one of the most crucial elements is the chart, as it's your window into market movements. Let's begin by locating the chart button in the middle of your dashboard. This button is your gateway to adjusting how market data is presented to you. By clicking on it, you'll see a range of chart options at your disposal, each offering unique insights into market trends. For today's session, you'll want to select the chart type called candles, or candlesticks, as they're often referred to. Candlestick charts are incredibly popular in the trading world due to the detailed information they provide at a glance. Each candle on the chart represents the price movements over a specified time period, showing you the opening, closing, high, and low prices. This visual representation is crucial because it allows traders to quickly assess market sentiment and make informed decisions. Now that you've switched your chart to candles, it's time to review these candles and start analyzing their patterns. The key to successful trading using candlestick charts is to buy low and sell high. Essentially, when you identify a potential price uptrend, you might consider buying, and conversely, if you foresee a downtrend, selling could be your strategy. As you review the candles, one important pattern to identify is called bullish, which is often associated with positive market momentum or upward trends. A bullish candle typically features a longer body and shorter wicks, suggesting buyers are currently dominating the market and pushing prices higher. Recognizing such patterns can help you gauge when to potentially enter a position. To wrap up, by familiarizing yourself with adjusting the chart type to candles and interpreting these candlestick patterns, you can better grasp market dynamics and optimize your trading strategy on Pocket Option. Remember, practice and experience will enhance your ability to read these charts with confidence, so take your time exploring different chart types and patterns. Happy trading, and may your transactions be ever in your favor.